From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, July 22nd. Well, we're going to be dealing with a lot of showers and thunderstorms through the middle of the week, but I do have some good news for the last weekend of July. It looks like a cold front is going to push through the mid-Atlantic states from Thursday into Thursday night. And in the wake of that front, well, north to northwesterly winds are going to usher a cooler and less humid air mass into the region just in time for the end of the month. So let me jump right on into things here and start by taking a look at the GFS model for 2 p.m. on Thursday. And you'll notice that front extending from the northeastern United States down to the Ohio Valley and central Appalachians on Thursday afternoon. Well, that is going to trigger another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday into Thursday evening. But that front will essentially push off the mid-Atlantic coastline then later Thursday night into Friday morning. And as you can see here behind that front, this large sprawling Canadian high pressure system is going to settle into the Great Lakes region on Friday. The GFS and the Euro are in good agreement with that. And that front will be well off the mid-Atlantic coastline. And again, those north to northwesterly winds are going to usher cooler and less humid air into the region. Now, it's not going to be cool by any stretch of the imagination, just seasonably warm. But wow, it looks like dew points are going to drop from the 70s on Thursday, potentially as low as the 50s by Friday into Saturday. And that low humidity may stick around right on through Sunday and the start of the following week then. But regardless, it looks like a great last weekend of July as that high pressure ultimately builds into the northeast and mid-Atlantic states then on Saturday. High temperatures on Friday and Saturday should be in the mid-80s. They may be a few degrees higher on Saturday than what they are on Friday, but skies should turn mostly sunny by Friday morning, and it looks like that sunshine is going to stick around pretty much all weekend. Now, the GFS does suggest a little bit of a different solution than the European. The European model has a stronger cold front, and so it pushes it farther south into the Carolinas over the weekend. You can see that the GFS suggests that that front may stall across southern Virginia and North Carolina, but the Euro ultimately pushes that into Georgia and South Carolina. So I actually tend to lean toward the Euro on this one. This front does look like it's going to push farther south, as this is a very pleasant, dry air mass that's going to be settling into the region over the weekend. So if you take a look at the GFS for Sunday, it already suggests that highs off the coast and you have some moisture returning back to the central Appalachians and the Ohio Valley, but the Euro doesn't show any of the sort. It still shows that high pressure system centered over the central Appalachians. Just an awesome end to the weekend. Mostly sunny skies, low humidity, highs back in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, but it looks like it's going to be great for sleeping at night. In fact, lows may fall into the upper 50s to low 60s on Friday night and still be in the low to mid 60s on Saturday night. So really just a great weekend to get outside, enjoy the sunshine, and you won't have to worry about heat-related illnesses whatsoever. So taking a look at the medium range forecast, humid on Thursday with clouds, some sun, and scattered showers and thunderstorms, high 86. It does look like most of the energy with that front is going to track into northern New England and southeastern Canada. So severe weather should be highly localized at worst on Thursday. And then Friday, in the wake of that front, mostly sunny, pleasant, and less humid, high 84. Seasonably warm on Saturday, but not humid with sunshine and a few clouds, high 86. And then still mostly sunny and warm, but not humid on Sunday with highs in the upper 80s to around 90. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Monday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy those beautiful conditions out there this upcoming weekend.